how to connect AutoDS to Etsy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how AutoDS is able to connect to Etsy and how you will be able to do it as well. So if you actually check out the marketplace and if you examine the different products located here are actually located in Etsy. So some of the products that you are seeing here came from Etsy already, but majority are going to be, of course, going to vary. Like there's an Amazon store as well. There's other suppliers as well, but it's a bit hard to identify which one is Etsy. And to be able to specify the products that you want to import and have it to be Etsy directly, simply click on Add Products over here. You can choose between single product or multiple products, and then simply select Etsy as a supplier store over here. So that's an option over here. So let's for Etsy, there we go. And then simply enter the URL of the product that you're trying to import. And through that, you can easily get products from Etsy into the store that you are connected to. And through that method, you will be able to connect Etsy and AutoDS together. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.